Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have Garageband open. Select the track header for the region you want to recolor. First action, reveal the track inspector by clicking the track name or pressing the shortcut to show track controls. Once visible, locate the color or track icon area in the inspector. You're prepping the exact target so changes apply only where you want them. Make sure to pick a swatch or hex code before proceeding, because Garageband's quick palette will apply immediately, and you won't need to undo multiple steps. Now you change the actual color. Click the small color square or instrument icon in the track header to open the palette. You'll see standard presets, pick one for speed, or choose custom to match a hex or eyedropper sample. If you selected multiple tracks, make sure all intended tracks are highlighted so your selection applies across them. Once done, the header and region highlights update immediately, which helps with visual organization and workflow. If you prefer consistency, repeat for all similar instrument tracks. Finish by reviewing colors in the full tracks view and in the mixer to ensure consistency. Make sure printed or exported visuals match what you see. If a choice looks wrong, undo with Command+Z and pick another swatch. Trial is faster than overthinking. If colors fail to save, make sure the project file isn't locked and that you have right permissions. Restart Garageband if necessary. Lastly, save a copy of the project after finalizing colors so you can revert quickly if you need to reorganize later.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.